Tearing down a lightning to aux adapter. Things first, you want to get yourself. I'm using a pair of nail clippers. You can use pretty much anything that's real sharp to get in here. Basically, what I did was I just took a bite off the sides, making sure that I don't get into any of the hardware here. Just you want to eat at the edges of the plastic until you get right up around the top of it, and then it should be able to pry it free. Once you get the outer plastic piece off, it should look something like this. Now you're going to want to slowly try to carefully pick this white stuff away with, I'm using one of these little picks I got. You're going to want to slowly try to break this stuff away. It's really hard and tedious, but once you get all that off, you're going to be trying, there's a little overflap here running along the side of the metal where they kind of flap it all over, and I believe the wires are inside of there. Well, this fucker tougher to get inside of them goddamn Fort Knox. First of all, I don't care what tools you got, you ain't getting that flap open. I'd about mangle this motherfucker. Yeah, so FYI, you ain't fixing these bitches. Just buy a new one.